a homemade mask with the help of handkerchief to prevent us from coronavirus disease. We need a handkerchief and 2 rubber bands. Now let's start. Fold the handkerchief into 3 parts like this, 2 and 3. And now fold both ends like this. The one end should come over the other as shown. Now make a crease here, and then put the rubber band on the crease. The rubber band should come on the crease. Now do the same to the other side like this. Now fold one side like this and second side like this. Now insert one side into the other. This. Adjust the rubber bands accordingly. Now our homemade mask is ready to wear. See the coronavirus go. Thank you.